We'll guide you through how to fix no sound or audio issues on an HP laptop or computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps trying to watch a video, listen to music or do some work, and the audio and sound isn't working. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure this full guide so you know the different things you can try doing and don't skip anything as you may miss something important. And so without any further ado, let's get started with this guide. So to get started, you want to come to the bottom and you want to go and find the Windows Start button, and you want to go and click there like so. In here, go and find settings. You can always search at the top if needed. Now in settings, go over to the left and you want to go and find system. And then in system, you can go and find sound. So first of all, for the output, make sure you go and choose the default one here. If you've got multiple, make sure you go and select the one you want to use. I only have one here, so that's why it's already selected, but if there's multiple, you can select them to the left. Next, you want to come down to volume, make sure that it's not muted. If it is, unmute it, and you can go and increase it here as well. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, you want to go and scroll down like so, and you want to go and find more sound settings. This will pop up. Let me just go and drag it over for you. In here, you want to come into playback, and what you want to do is make sure that the speaker has not been disabled. So what you want to do is, if it has been disabled, you want to go and find it, right click on it and go and press enable. What you may need to do is go and right click, and you may need to go and select show disable devices and make sure that it's enabled. Then you can go and make sure that it's then selected as the set default. It already is here. Press OK and go and see if it's now working. If you still find that it isn't, then in here you can come into the troubleshoot common sound problems, and you can go and press output devices, and then the troubleshooter may be able to go and solve the problem. But let's go and get into the next fix. It still isn't working. What you want to do is go down and you want to go and press search, and in here you want to go and type in services. So go and type it in like so, and being suggested it here, so we can then go and click on it. When this opens up, you then want to go and scroll down, and we need to go and find Windows Audio. As you can see, here it is. You want to go and double click on it. Make sure the starter type is set to automatic, and make sure it's currently running. Press start if needed, press apply and press OK. And then you can go and repeat that for Windows Audio endpoint as well. Make sure that it's currently set to starter type automatic and make sure it's currently running. Press apply and press OK. Now what you can do is go and see if that goes and solves it. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing we need to do is come and press search at the bottom. In here, you want to go and type in device manager, and you want to go and open it up. Now in here, you want to go and find audio inputs and outputs, and you can expand it to the left. You need to go and find your speaker and right click on it, and you can try updating it. So press update driver. We'll go and do an automatic search that you usually go and do it. And you can then go and see the best drivers for your device are already installed. If there's an update available, it should then go and do it. If you still find that it doesn't work after doing that, what you can do is go and right click on it, and you can go and press update driver again. Press browse my computer for drivers. Press let me pick from a list, and you want to go and select audio endpoint. Press next, and that's it. Hopefully now the problem's solved and sound and audio is working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.